In this video, we're taking a look at the 2019 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 1200. What's up, everybody? Travis here. We're at Harley-Davidson in Wilkesboro, North Carolina. Going to take a look at another bike, 2019 Sportster 1200 Iron. And I brought my buddy Logan with me. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's check out some specs and features of the 2019 Sportster 1200 Iron. The 2019 1200 Iron features a 1202cc air-cooled Evolution engine. The 25.7-inch seat height is perfect for short riders, especially with the mid controls. The 59.6-inch wheelbase will keep you tucked into corner after corner. With a 564-pound wet weight, this bike is very light and nimble. The 3.3 US gallon fuel capacity won't let you ride as far as you can with some of the bigger bikes, but the 48 mile per gallon fuel economy will keep your fuel stops down to a minimum. The MSRP for the Vivid Black is $9,999, and the color options of Twisted Cherry and Billiard White have an MSRP of $10,349. If you like ABS, that is an option for an additional cost of $795. If you prefer the peace of mind of a security system, the HD Factory Security System is also an option for an additional cost of $395. I hope you guys enjoyed that video on the 2019 Sportster 1200 Iron. I'd like to give a big thanks to Crossroads Harley-Davidson in Wilkesboro for letting me come and do that. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos, click that like button, get subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one.